Last time, Venus tried to kill you with heat, pressure, and acid rain. Mars is the opposite problem. It's not trying to kill you fast. It's just quietly unable to keep you alive at all. This is the planet everyone's actually planning to move to. Let's see what that would really feel like. First thing you'd notice, the cold. Average temperature, about minus 60 degrees Celsius. At the poles in winter, it drops to minus 125. On a good day near the equator at noon, it can actually hit a comfortable 20 degrees. So the temperature actually swings wildly, and that's before we even get to the air. The atmosphere on Mars is less than 1% as thick as Earth's. It's mostly carbon dioxide, with basically no oxygen. Step outside without a suit, and you wouldn't freeze first. You'd lose consciousness from lack of oxygen within seconds. And that thin atmosphere means almost no protection from radiation. No global magnetic field either, so cosmic radiation just hits the surface directly. Long-term exposure is a real problem for any future colonist, not just a sci-fi detail. On top of that, gravity here is only 38% of Earth's. Your muscles and bones would start losing density fast, unless you exercised constantly to fight it. And the dust? Fine, sharp, and it gets into absolutely everything. Equipment, suits, lungs. Now here's some good news. A day on Mars is almost exactly like ours, about 24 and a half hours. Your body clock would barely notice the difference. The year, though, is a different story. 687 Earth days. So if you grew up here, you'd celebrate your first birthday at around age 2 by Earth standards. And Mars actually used to look a lot like Earth. Rivers, lakes, maybe even oceans billions of years ago. That water didn't disappear completely. There's still ice locked under the polar caps and underground. It's just frozen, and the moment it melts and hits the thin air, it doesn't stay liquid, it evaporates almost instantly. So the ingredients for life were here once. The conditions just changed. So, would you survive being born on Mars? Not without serious help, a sealed habitat, your own oxygen, constant exercise, and real radiation shielding. But compared to Venus? This is basically next door and livable. This is Planet 2 of our what-if space run. Next time, what if you were born on the moon, closer than either of these, and honestly, a little weirder than you'd expect? Subscribe so you don't miss it, and drop a comment with the planet or era we should cover next. See you in the next one.